Hello digital entrepreneurs, I am Dr. Amit Parik and today I'm super thrilled to present you IntelliMate AI. That is our innovative solution which is redefining how businesses connect with their customers. It has never been easier to stay connected 24/7 with your customers, but with IntelliMate AI, that is self-learning app, which turns any URL, any website and any PDF doc into a conversational chatbot that is working 24/7 to convert your leads and convert more of your sales and engage your customers 24/7 non-stop. Once you have logged into our sleek dashboard, a world of possibilities unfolds. Before we dive deeper inside, let me give you an overview of your dashboard. So at the top, you see workspace name. That is the name of your business and your client's business. It allows you to add and manage unlimited business of yours and your clients. Or from your easy dashboard, you can manage yours and your client businesses easily. It also gives you a comprehensive overview of IntelliMate and its features. Now come to the chatbot. That is training bot using your own domain, own data, your website and PDF files, or you can use any URL for effective audience management and support. Then you get leads that keeps customers' leads organized for easy access. Then integrations connect your favorite autoresponders and your webinar platform and CRM platforms here. Agency-wide labeling option. You can customize IntelliMate's conversational chatbot and dashboard with your agency branding. Now come to setting. You can fine-tune IntelliMate to sort your exact needs which you want from IntelliMate to do for you. And in the right top corner, you get options to manage your profile, update your password, and oversee both your workspaces and clients' workspaces, subscription management, and all the video tutorials which we provide to quick start. This central hub puts everything you need in right at your fingertip for seamless management and convenience. Alright, now let's dig deeper inside the chatbot. Alright, so see the sleek interface you can see here where IntelliMate's conversational chatbot, which is your ultimate solution to transform any website and URL or your PDF documents into super responsive chatbot, which actually going to generate the answers according to your data. That is not just using your data, it is conversational AI which is going to craft the response and beautifully respond in conversational manner. So here you have the power to train your bot using own data for the better communication with your audience. Now let me create a new workspace for you and train the data in front of you so you can see how powerful it is. As soon as you create a new workspace, let's say you are creating for your client, so it will allows you to create a complete new chatbot for your client in newly added business. Now come to the chatbot feature. Let's create a branded chatbot and train it in front of you in next 7 minutes max. The first section is choosing a theme. We have designed a few beautiful themes in advance for you. Just choose one of them and you can choose which with just a click. Alright, and then click the next button. Next is profile section, where you can personalize your bot according to your branding or your client's branding. You can choose the bot profile image. You can choose how bot will look like on when it comes to on your website as a visit. Your bot name, its language, theme colors to match yours and your customers' branding at any time. After filling all the details, click the next step, where you can set up the questions and answers. You can set up the welcome message for your website visitors, for your audiences when they come for the support, which you can update or remove anytime. After that, you fill some frequently asked questions and answer forms, right? These questions are for marketing point of view. See, IntelliMate is conversational chatbot which is going to answer with his own language, right? A very conversational, very fluent and very responsive language. But if you set these, you want to set up some marketing messages which is frequently asked question to convert more and more visitors into leads and sales, we also giving these frequently asked question option here in IntelliMate. All right. So once you filled up the questions, click the next step. Now comes to the most important part of the IntelliMate chatbot, that is training your chatbot on your own data. You can train intelligent chatbot in two ways, either use your website URL or upload your own PDF files. Let me train the chatbot using IntelliMate sales page and enter the URL here. It takes some time for the board to understand the data and process it. So just let's move to the next step, that is setting up the autoresponder. So click the next step. Now select your preferred autoresponder and choose the list where you want to manage the leads. This way you can manage all the automation of your emails or your promotions and all the CRM activity here. Now set up a closing message you want your customers to see when they complete the chat with your chatbot, and with the CTA message to redirect them anywhere. By that way, you maybe redirect them on your sales page, your support URL, your YouTube channel, your lead form, or your affiliate link for further getting more conversions and more sales and more commissions, and that is 24/7 for you. So how cool is that, right? So finally click save, and now you can get your embed code. Wow, amazing. Now you have your trained chatbot ready to work like a magic for you. Place this embed code on header or footer of your website, and your bot is now ready to respond to your visitors on your own data. Again, I repeat, and convert them into maximum sales, leads, and loyal customers forever according to your data again. So it is conversational. I just love to show you some examples. Let me show you live. Let me ask some questions from the IntelliMate about what I gave the training, right? So let me ask this and see the response generated. Wow, it's amazing. The context is exactly the same, which and it is written in well professional manner and conversational manner using our proprietary generative AI technology, which is built in-house in our company. Likewise, let's test with another question. Let me ask a new question. Voila! Again, the answer is amazing, right? This is incredible, intelligent bot working 24/7 like your Salesforce to generate responses on your behalf and convert your visitors into sales and leads for you. I hope you are excited about the responses generated by IntelliMate AI, which I gave you live in this demo in front of you. Now let's check out the lead section, which is next one. Come here. Easily manage and sort leads by time and chatbot they are originating from. IntelliMate delivers results every time, right? Next is explore the integration section. You can integrate your autoresponder, your webinar platform, CRM platform, and content provider platform. Okay, so and now for our valued clients, agency white labeling is must-have feature. So what you can do, you can replace IntelliMate logo with your own specific on any specific workspace or any client business, as well as in the bottom of the chatbot, which is mentioning the IntelliMate logo. So you can completely white label it for your own brand, your own company, and it's yours to sell and charge up to $1,000 from each client. And additionally, you can charge them maintenance fees annually or monthly to generate them more leads and more sales for clients. Finally, let's dive into the IntelliMate settings. Here you can efficiently manage all your workspaces, your clients, your tutorials, and reach out to our team for any support question. And now finally, I want to conclude with this. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. We hope you are same excited like I am when I'm presenting this demonstration to you. So let's get ready to transform your interactions, enhance your engagement, and unlock new possibilities with IntelliMate AI. So see you inside the members area. Bye bye.